Okay, screw it. I was watching Hollow for a bit. I went into the Discord and I said, you know what, guys, I'm gonna buy Hollow. I'm gonna try a double bottom bounce. This is not normally my system, but I do know this pattern right here can make lots of money. This is the screenshot I gave to the Discord members, and I got it right in at 125, and my stop loss is 1.17. Very clear, clearly defined risk. I know what I'm going to gain. I know what I'm risking. I'm looking for at least 10% to scale out. But let me show you Hollow. I think this is, in my opinion, this seems like an area like it is so worth to take the risk. Okay, obviously if you got it way up in the $9 range, 6, 5, 4, and you just like kept averaging down, there was really no area to really look into unless we look into this all-time low. And I'm like, you know what? It kind of meets my system. It's not like totally. I like to look for more EMA time distance. But you look at this right here, we have a K value of 5.98. Super, super duper low. We have also three candles not touching this EMA 5. We know Hollow loves to magnet the EMA 5. When it gets some distance and some gap below it, like some black space, it tends to go up and bounce really fast to that. We see there's clear big support rated here where the last liftoff took up. We went from $1 to $9 right here. Big bullish candle. Everyone can see this. You better believe it. There's a lot of big buys probably coming in this area. I was very patient. Maybe I could have got 124. Who knows? But I feel like 125 is a super good average. As you can see, we're right here at the very lows of the day. Do we break out of 123 or do we go up? We've been consolidating all in this range for quite some time on the 15-minute chart, trying to figure out what to do. I gave you guys 1.25 because, a lot of times it barely misses 1.23. Sometimes it breaks 1.23. So that's why I put my stop loss at around 1.17. I don't want to be like, oh, I get stopped out at like 120 and then it goes up. I gave it just enough wiggle room to be like, you know what? If the market makers want to be brutal, break the 1.23, have stop losses hit. I don't want to get hit by that. All right. So I see this as a very good buy opportunity. You guys take it how you want, but this is the area I'm looking at. Clearly, it's at the very low of the low. Hollow has a very low K value. 5.83 is pretty low, and we also have 3 days away from the EMA 5. So at the very least, if we just go to the EMA 5, you're looking for a 10% return. So I know if at the very least, I can probably get out of this at that EMA 5. Let's say Hollow wants to go up to the 10. We're looking at an 18%, and then the 20, you're looking at a 35% return. So I really hope this works out. I'm not just trying to get lucky either. There's clear strategy in this. I have a clear stop loss. If it makes a new low, I don't want to be a part of this because, like I said before, and if you looked at my other videos, if we break this low, here was another double bottom where we went from $4 all the way up to 9. We broke this low. Do you really want to be a part of this once it breaks the low and makes new lows? No, we want to get the heck out if it does this. This one would not have worked. But I think, honestly, this is a different scenario as I see that one, we got very good news that they have planned to purchase up to 200 million in derivatives on digital currency. They plan to invest 200 million in Bitcoin. All right, so they got some good news. That is insane. 200 million in Bitcoin. Okay, so there's not something to take lightly in this. They credit to low after 200 million planned retail remains unconvinced. So they a lot of the people are unconvinced about it. I personally think that's not a bad strategic plan. We saw what happened when KUL done that. They've been investing in Bitcoin. Look at this weekly chart of KULR. It has been just uptrending forever, right? When they started doing that strategic investment of going into Bitcoin, right in here, KUR Technology expands Bitcoins to 510. They expand Bitcoin holdings by 8 million. They keep buying it and buying it. What's the difference of Hollow trying to get into the same sector of trying to make, a strategic investment and get this stock going once and for all, okay? So we're looking at clear support. If this all-time low breaks, I will ditch the trade and look for another opportunity to get in. All right, I cut it. I lose what 125 to 117. I lose 8 cents on it. So no big deal if it does go to this. But like I said, this could actually all go up all the way up. Who the heck knows? We could retest this highs of $2. There's no doubt about what HOLO can do. No one knows exactly what it's going to do. No one knows exactly the how high it can go. But I can say this is a very good pattern where a lot of big money looks into this. A lot of retail traders will see this, and I'm combining it with one. We have 3 days away from the EMA 5, which is kind of rare for HOLO. You can see right here when we do that, we get a couple candles away from the 5. Guess what? We touch the 5 and the 10 right up in here. Makes a nice 25% in literally a day. So that's the kind of the thing I see in here. We'll see what happens. Obviously, it's just consolidating. It could plummet here down end of the day. We'll see, but I'm taking the risk, guys. I'm taking the risk. I'm putting my money where my mouth is. You guys see in the Discord, swing trade alerts, perfect screenshot here of what I'm telling you guys what I'm doing. Clear stop loss. I'm giving it to you guys on YouTube so that you guys are aware of. Where's my profit taking? 10%. I'm going to take some shares off, and then I'm going to hold some at break even. So if I get this dead bottom and this keeps going, I want to make sure I ride this wave up, because once HOLO goes, it goes up massive. Okay, so I see a lot of the things that I see. The news helping it. Obviously a lot of retail trader or market makers didn't think this news will help, but I see, like I said, I saw KULR do the same investment and they went up massive. So I'm going to give this one some time and we'll see how this does. If this does go down and breaks this stop, let's say I could wait about 2 more daily candles away from the EMA 5, and I can just take it to the EMA 5 and get all my money back. All right, because I'm not risking much. It's like 5% stop loss. It's not a big deal. So I can get it back, once we break this all-time low, and then I'll look for the EMA 5 retracement just to hurry up and get it back. Because if you guys been in my Discord, you've been and watched my videos, EMA 5 will get hit in a very short amount of time. Anything that don't touch the EMA 5 in normal price action in 5 days is long. All right. So obviously we're never going to get to this low count in our channel since we had that big massive pump. It's going to take a very long time. But I am very curious what this does here. I'm very curious. I'm kind of excited to see what it does. We had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 red days in a row. So hopefully, we can get a nice little green candle here very soon. So, all right, guys. If you guys want to join the premium Discord, this is your chance to do it, guys. You guys are gonna love this strategy. Stocks like this I find all the time. I try to find real live updates. I try to find anything that I can trade to make you guys profitable, and your alerts will be sent to your phone. Everything is real-time traded. I do live streams. I do one-on-one coaching if you're not understanding something. But the importance of my Discord is to teach you guys why I trade, the setups I take, and give you guys the education. Not just, hey, I'm buying HOLO at this such and such price. I have no risk management, no stop loss, nothing, and I'm just going to randomly take HOLO and wish the best. That's not the purpose of it. So if you guys want to join the premium Discord, click the link down below in the YouTube comments below. In the description, it'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts. When you click that link, it'll take you to this free chat landing page. If you want to become a member, all you have to do is click day trade alerts and you'll get access to all my services. And get this, guys, for an all-time low cost, I'm going to give you guys the best discount of the year just to even try it, and it'll be permanent. That's the good thing. As long as you stick with it, I promise you your price will never go up, and you can check for yourself. You can quit anytime, of course, but I'm going to give it to you all for $12 a month, all right? And that's going to come with swing trades and day trades, and these are going to be very unique strategies. And these are going to be strategies that you probably, are going to be like, wow, just learning these strategies will put another tool in your toolbox. Okay, guys, I've worked a lot trying to find bottom reversals. I've done a lot of things to find up, how to trade with the trend. I just alerted many trades in the Discord today. I scaled out of one, and I tell you guys exactly what's going on. Like, for example, I got some XI FR at 8.44. It went a little against me, so I took minor gains. Real-time updates like that helps because I see, I can always get back in. If my entry was a little off, I get out and then I'm going to get back in. And that's really the purpose of this. PayPal. If you guys look at this, I got into PayPal because of a nice, beautiful uptrend. You can see like where we can keep continuing to go up. And I'll teach you guys how to all do this. Click day trade alerts. For only $12 a month, you get access to everything. And if you subscribe on your computer, it's the best way to do it to avoid the iOS fee. And if you do have an Android, you will have to use your computer to subscribe, okay? And it's only $12 a month, all right? You cannot be beat it. It's the best discount I can ever give. For all the time I put in, you put a little bit of money into it, you're going to show up every day to the Discord. You're going to show up to the live streams. You're going to ask questions, put a little money forward, and I promise you're going to put some effort in. If you get a free Discord, I've been in it, I've done it. Nobody learned anything. People were just expecting me to feed them, and literally just like, what did you do? What did you get in, and all that. This right here, you're gonna put the time into. You're gonna understand why I take each trade. Okay. So I'm very excited for this community. We're growing we're growing a lot. I'll probably up the price here in the future after February. I'm giving everyone a time to get in if you want to. If you want to just, like I said, if you just want to try it out, I definitely recommend it. It's literally less than the price of a lunch meal at McDonald's. All right. So, I mean, so what I'm going to do here too, if all you have to do is hit server shop, you can see the two memberships. The highest one is $12 a month, and if you are from not from the U.S., there will be a upcharge, maybe like the currency. Maybe you might pay it $2 or $3 more, but do keep that in mind. But it's going to be very cheap. And Hollow, I am looking for a 10% at least. All right, I need to at least get my 10%. EMA 5 is going to give me that, and then I'm going to try to take some of that out and trail and stop it, or put my stop loss at break even. I'll let you guys know in the chat what I do. But if I get this dead on bottom here at 125, then it's going to be really amazing once this goes. All right, guys, I'll see you guys in the Discord. Peace out, happy trading, and I'll see you in the next video.